Hello! Today we read Achoo! Sneezing. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Something tickles the inside of my nose. Maybe germs or dust got in my nose. Or it could be a pollen. Achoo! I can stand sneezing. Our nose is filtered to protect the lungs. Sneezing can remove germs and dust from the nose. Why do people sneeze? Do you know the answer? Yes, it's okay. Else, people sneeze because germs, dust, or pollen enter their nose. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.